Rectangular divided food storage containers let you keep snacks separate. Lids with easy locking clips and extended flexible seal help keep contents fresh. Modular stacking design helps save valuable space. 100% virgin plastic, phthalate and BPA-free. Set of 3, each with 11.8 ounce, 0.3 liter capacity. Set of 3 Clip It rectangle split containers, each measures 6.9 by 4.5 by 1.65 inch, 11.8 ounce, 1.5 cup capacity. Features Sistema KLIP IT easy locking clips. Flexible inner seal allows food to stay fresh longer, perfect for lunch and snacks. Clip It collection. Space-saving compact stackable storage system. Features 2 compartments in one food storage container. Designed and made in New Zealand from 100% virgin plastic, phthalate-free, BPA-free. Dishwasher safe, top rack, microwave, without lids, fridge and freezer safe. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for Montessori toddler's lunch. Not made in China. Love these so much I bought another set. They clip open and shut securely, but easily. My 18-mo toddler has also learned to open and close them as the school wanted, with a little help at first. Love that they're made in New Zealand, so I have confidence they're ethical, non-toxic, not exploiting slave laborers, etc. As some other countries' GOFTs do. These are also the perfect size for kid lunches. I pack 2 to 3 with each part of his meal. He's a big hungry kid, and they keep things separate for when he puts them on his plate at school. Perfect product.